Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how you're going to make a veg momo in Nepali style. So these are the ingredients you require to make the stuffing for the veg momo. So to begin with, I have taken here half of the cabbage and 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of cumin and coriander powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 onions, and I'm going to take 2 tablespoon of momo masala as well as spring onions. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to finely chop onions and cabbage. Let's start. Now you can see I have finished chopping all the ingredients. Cilantro has been chopped, cabbage has been chopped, spring onions as well as the red onions has been chopped. So you can make this stuffing without cooking, but I'm going to cook these ingredients for at least 2 minutes and then we are going to prepare the dough for the momo wrapper. So I'm going to take here 5 tablespoons of olive oil. So oil is optional. You can add any kind of oil. So now it's time to add the onion. So I'm going to saute onion for like 1 minute. You don't have to make it too like goldish color because we are just making the stuffing. And then I'm going to add turmeric powder. So it's going to give nice color when you add on the first place. So following with, I'm adding cabbage. Now once you stir very well, mix it very well, it's time to add all the spices with chili powder, cumin and coriander powder, salt and momo masala, 2 spoons of momo masala at the end. And then we're gonna leave it cook openly for 2 minutes. So now it is time to add the chopped cilantro as well as the spring onions. Bear in mind guys, so you have to cook only for 2 minutes only. So I'm taking your wheat flour to make a momo wrapper. So I'm going to mix it well with the water and make a dough and leave it for like 10 minutes with cover on. And then I'm going to heat up the bowl with the water to steam the momos. So I'm leaving the water to get boiled here. So at the same time, I'm going to knead the dough and then divided the dough into small cubes and I'm going to roll the individual cubes into wrapper. I'm going to show you how I do it. Now you can see my momo wrapper is ready. Now I'm going to fill up with stuffing. I am taking here 1 tablespoon of stuffing. So it's always depending on how big the wrapper is. So now gently pressing from one side. It is really easy. I find this technique is more easier. So it is almost done, guys. Now you can see how I do it. Looks not that much perfect, but I tried my best, guys. So you do the same. It looks awesome. So to avoid sticking on the base of the pan, I am spreading oil here. You can use butter as well. So now I'm putting all the dumplings I have made, and now I'm going to leave it to steam for like 10 minutes. So if the mince is not cooked, then I will advise to cook for 20 minutes. It's been a 10 minutes now, guys. Now it's my momo, it's ready. Looks delicious, guys. Hope you're going to try my recipe at your home and let me know how it come out. So don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment on my channel. I'm going to see you on my next video. Until then, keep watching and have a lovely day. Namaste.